Starship is designed specifically for Musk's ultimate goal, colonizing Mars. It's fully reusable, capable of carrying 100 tons to Mars, and designed to be refueled in orbit. The vehicle is massive, 50 meters tall when combined with its super heavy booster made of stainless steel and powered by up to 33 Raptor engines. SpaceX is developing Starship using the same rapid iteration approach that worked for Falcon. Build quickly, test, learn from failures, improve, repeat. This approach horrifies traditional aerospace engineers. Watching prototypes explode seems wasteful, but SpaceX argues that building and testing rapidly teaches more than years of analysis. Multiple Starship prototypes have exploded during testing. Some exploded on landing, others during pressurization tests. One spectacular failure saw a prototype explode during a landing flip maneuver. Each explosion teaches valuable lessons. SpaceX engineers analyze failures, identify problems, implement fixes, and test again. In April 2023, SpaceX attempted the first integrated flight test of Starship and Super Heavy combined. It was the most powerful rocket launch in history. The rocket lifted off successfully, generating incredible thrust, but several engines failed, the vehicle tumbled, and flight termination was triggered 4 minutes into flight. Traditional aerospace would call this catastrophic failure. SpaceX called it a successful test. They gathered enormous data, identified issues, and began improvements. 7 months later, Starship flew again. This time, stage separation succeeded. The booster completed its planned flight before being terminated. The upper stage flew for several minutes before also being terminated. Progress, not success yet, but clear progress towards the goal. Musk claims Starship will reach Mars this decade. Critics say that's impossible. They said the same thing about reusable rockets. Whether Starship reaches Mars on Musk's timeline or not, SpaceX is building capability that didn't exist before. They're making interplanetary transportation possible. SpaceX hasn't just built rockets, they've transformed the entire space industry. By dramatically reducing launch costs, SpaceX has made space accessible to organizations that couldn't afford it before. Small countries, universities, and startups can now launch satellites. This democratization of space access is enabling new applications. Global internet coverage through Starlink, Earth observation, climate monitoring, and scientific research. SpaceX's Starlink constellation aims to provide internet access worldwide using thousands of satellites. Over 1,000 Starlink satellites are already in orbit, providing service to remote areas without traditional internet infrastructure. This project was only possible because SpaceX can launch affordably and frequently. They're launching their own satellites on their own rockets, creating a vertically integrated space business.